So this is the documentation of my Vulture engine. So I never really talked about how I structure it. So let's start. This is the main page. So I have what the Vulture engine is and some of the features, and as well as why I decided to really code the Vulture engine. Then in the installation, all the prerequisites and also the steps to getting the to run the Vulture engine. And then on the getting started page, I have a 5 series of demos that I will post the link to it when I get when I get the link of the host service to the actual page. So each demo is supposed to teach you all the basics of the engine. Then on the modules, I have the Vulture engine model and the internal Vulture engine. So in the Vulture engine, I have the Vulture, the user setup, all the user functions that needs to be that the user can access to, the resources, all the sprite rendering, the game object, and the scene. So for the game object, I have the exables, the collision registration, the collision setup, the alarm control events, and also the methods, which are the submit entry and exit that represents the life cycle of the game object. And then under each of the exables, I have the drawable, which I already showed you, which it's well detailed, and also the updatable, which some example codes, and also for the imputable, it's well detailed. And pretty much all the user code is well detailed. This is the alarmable. This is the collision. So I have code in basically in every, literally in every header file. And this is the method function. So this is how I really structured my all the big modules of the Vulture engine. And on the internal, I have the engine tools, and I have the time manager, the GATCAM, the visualizer, the screen log, the math tools, and this is pretty much how the Vulture engine is structured.